Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Absence Notifications and tap on Notifications. Over here scroll down, click on See All from last 7 days and pick one of your apps, like Send Anywhere. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now blocked. You can always enable them by tapping on the same switcher. If you want to, you can also click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!